Assalamu alaikum everyone, I hope everyone is well today. Alhamdulillah, look behind me, I'm in this amazing beautiful masjid in Turkey, in Istanbul, and this is called the Taksim Mosque, one of the beautiful masjids in this city. Alhamdulillah, today I got to visit the Hagia Sophia and the Blue Masjid as well. Alhamdulillah, it was amazing. And this here, look at this is absolutely just breathtaking, so peaceful, so calm, and so cool in here. Alhamdulillah, today it's about 36 degrees, and before coming here I did check the weather, but I didn't realize it's going to be hot and humid like London as well, and it is basically baking. But alhamdulillah, inside here it is very cool. It's a big masjid, and I thought to myself, how do they manage to cool this place down? I believe they do have AC, which may not be enough, but they do have fans everywhere. I'll show you guys. Look over here, they're like small fans, but they're very, mashallah, doing a very good job. So this is just absolutely beautiful. Mashallah, tabarakallah. And right now the time is 8:30. It's a little while away from Salat al-Maghrib, so I'm just going to have a little wander about in the masjid, and then inshallah come back, read Maghrib, eat dinner, and it's going to be early night for us because it's the day of Jummah tomorrow inshallah. Barakallah feek. Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, مالك يوم الدين, إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين, اهدنا الصراط المستقيم, صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Ameen.
MashaAllah, Barakallah, MashaAllah.
Thanks so much.
Very good, MashaAllah.
Any improvement I can make?
MashaAllah, mükemmel, harika, perfect, MashaAllah.
MashaAllah.
Eyvallah, thank you very much. Takabbel Allah kardeşim benim. Nice to meet you.
MashaAllah.
Allah razı olsun.
Allah bless you.
Allah razı olsun. Eyvallah.